Bwasomia mwancho murigereria bwegetaseni kia Ndizi TV na kwareganire andonsi asoverete litukone lia Jumapili chitariki 25 omutenyino y'ikumi na limo omwaka w'ekiri w'ibere na 22 chinga kibonone ariganire kurugiga ase studio nkumanyie aya korekanire ime na isiko yorogongo rwa Gusii ase barimo gotobwatya wetera CHINCHERA yemitandao notore Ndizi TV News Digital abone ENSEMO ya Facebook abaigo Ndizi TV News ase ENSEMO ya YouTube na inde nabogo tweet @Ndizi TV News gosotomekerengera likia obotambe wetera se namba yesimi eyuere ase TV yao lituko lia rero muraibwense na babwata ni korwasabo mabwa Kenya kwanza na obare ase kanse muimimo cho Nairobi ENSEMO ya Karen kolenda yontogendeto kwariganelio chiko ya nyorase amangana maya ye chinsa chikobwatya na kwariganeirie atalimake kaba monainche weika omoelio nkoira nande asegekege kekerebosio egera nkumanye ayomana yanda mange ase CHINCHERA yobwenge Chinsa Isano na Ibere. Ncheni gonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita no lia TOBWATERANE komo weika ase ENSEMO yebimanyirerio nigakoro kwa Joshua auta toya chake korwase county ya Kisii ase bunge ya Nyaribari Masaba ase ward ya Gesusu ase Kenyoroki ya Isoe abo ase ENSEMO yabamenyi beso kire na kwemurunganeria okobora kwechinguru cyomorero gose ESTIMA ase gekagie chiwiki isatobono korengana nabamenyi abo nigo batebire amatemo manene yo mwaka oyo ayo guchaka lituko lia ankyo nigera chekobera kongwa ABAOROKIGWA bali baganetie ase bagosomera korengana nabamenyi abo nigo bamentire gusaba ekyombe yechinguru cyomorero gose Kenya Power weso yagati na korosyo morero yo ase batebire ngwetera okogwa wechi post chestima ekyo kyabaire koba ase gesunte ase gekegetambe bono
Amayia itonya agwaiga abana ne bakonde rege sunte nona abantu maete bakona kubagosanjira bono tuchubwakerio kinaki ngaigo Kenya Power ya chiete kango bono ya tokonyire erinde dona na ke abana baitu bagokorikwe amate mwaikire igoro twakorete bo banga abane birobo erinde bagende chumatata matema bono bagotokonya kugosunjira iga erinde togosi na ende bagende bakorikwe ne batwara ubwaba erinde Kenyoro gieito gechigotigara magega ingoto kona ki omwesimi gwatokonya
Chingaki ABAOROKIGWA asense ya Kenya bagrade isano nemo kirasi isano na isato nabaigo abali bakirasi 12 bagende tukuyarigania asa matemo manene yo mwaka oyo abantu ao nigo beso kiri na kubaganiria ABAOROKIGWA AMAYA chingaki bawe cyo ikaransa asa matemo manene omo director w'eskuru ya Tabaka Academy oyobo igoro muliki ase kyombe ya KEPSA gose Kenya Private Schools Association aselieta Atamaro Mogendi Abuya nigabaganeirie AMAYA ABAOROKIGWA bagochaka matemo abo litukolia ankyo asaboriria baiboli kwa ABAOROKIGWA chindagira chingia na kwene kyabuna mbali ko baemereme menge chinga kibakwyarigania asa matemo manene
Mogendi Abuya Tamaro ukoso nyakuru kumbene ya ginagutwara nyamutumoko ngumuntu banire matonga ngombe ya kegere director ya Tabaka Academy n'umunyakirugo o Kenya Private School Mogendi Abuya Tamaro
Oyo no director kwa skuru ya Tabaka Academy na ndo munyakerogo o Kenya Private Schools Association nkoli yatore video yo gose report yo tuchokobekera CHINCHERA yobo ikiranu asamangana maya akobwatya Omoelio ye chege njuguna nero beiro mobui ase ekerogo kyogoso beiro mobui aso kwenyorera etiketi ya UDA aso gochakoligia ekerogo kyobobunge ase bunge ya KANDARA eyo yatiwa magega gose yatiwa wazi maega yomo waziri bwa mache kochorwa ochakobase ewizara iyo korengana no muliki gose korengana no yora letia machibwa yoli tukuligoro nigatebetebuna njuguna nigabwete asobochorio bwogo se nominations ase chikura chiribu chimia isano na ibere amagana 523 na kobabua abandi 13 abo bari kurwanirire tiketi ya UDA eye nige kworokia buna Chege Njuguna nigagocha kwirurukia ebandera korwase kiama kia UDA.
Chege ambaye alikuwa mshindi wa uchaguzi alipata kura 7,826 akifuatiwa kwa karibu na Nguchu Titus Njau ambaye alipata kura 5,335 na watatu alikuwa Mwaura Steven Nguru engineer ambaye alipata kura 4,414.
Mawaziri bw'obwonchoreria Moses Kuria nigarure Chinsa amagana gose Chinsa 22 asabalemi mono korwase county ya Trans Nzoia abwe gotebekana bagachete endagera bataganetie koyeonia kurengana na Kuria nigatebire goikabono iga abalemi abange nigo bagachete endagera elio kuganyarigo ligokina abwasatebire mbache kobetereriwa kugora endagera korwase Chinsa cheisiko onya abalemi korwase nse ya Kenya mbagucha konia endagera yabo nigaya kwanetaya alitiko ligoro chingaki alenga somo yegabwa matanga yamo ase county ya Trans Nzoia abwasatebire baraza enyi y'abawaziri mbachiko kolege ikaro na korora CHINCHERA bagwenerete kubwatia wocha kugora endagera ya GMO kulenda sebono otebire ngana ya GMO tebisa kwa balemi amangana amange abwasatebire bayonie endagera yabo wocha ase serikali
muzalishe mahindi mingi mpaka importers washindwe watauza wapi. Yaani unaniambia mahindi yatoka huko Argentina inakuja inatangatanga huko inafika hapa na wewe unashindwa kushindana na hiyo mahindi. Si lazima kuna kitu mbaya. Tutoe mahindi Argentina ni mbali sana mwisho wa dunia. Mahindi toka Argentina ifike hapa na mtu wa mahindi ambaye ameleta aweze kuuza bei chini yako. Si nikusema kuna kitu ambao kuna story ambao hatuongei. Hiyo story ndio kwanza nataka tuongee hiyo story. Na hiyo story ni mambo ya bolea. Hiyo story ni mambo ya begu. Mimi sisemi kwamba mtu asiuze mahindi. Sasa hii tunapoongea tukiendelea namna hii. Na najua wengi wenu mmeuza mahindi. Kuna wale bado wamekalia mahindi. Wacha nikwambie hiyo mahindi wale wamekalia. Shauri yenu. Kuna mtu atapea mbwa. Wale wameuza mahindi najua wameuza mahindi. Wale hawajauza hii mahindi kama iko kwa soko tukifika mwezi ya pili kama hakuna jambo lingine inaendelea hii Kenya tutakuwa na upungufu wa magonia milioni 15.
Ekiombe kia banyagitari gia Kenya Society of Hematology and Oncology kesho nigo baganiriye serikali nene komenta abanyagitari nabo igo kubika ensemo ekerengo gi10 igoro yemya ase CHIBESA chiri bakorosia kero mwaka bunenchereyemo yo komenta abanyagitari na kurwa maigerio aganeirie ase oborwaire bwa kansa korengana no munyakergo bw'ekiombe kyo Dr. Miriam Mutebi nigatebire chisekta chinyinge anene chiri chikolingolia oborwaire bwa kansa nigo bakoe wa CHIBESA chinkemono tobona baruira bange bagusiria magimabo kera omwaka nigo barenga somusangirikano ase county ya Mombasa chinga kibare kubekemero bulyo ngana kibagweneta goikera ni bolingoli bwabo ase nchera y'ubwororo.
Bibliometric analysis is a first start because it makes us confront the idea that yes, we're not actually aligned, but then the whole idea behind this situation is to realize what can we do better. We dedicate at least 10% of that fund of the GDP to actually cancer research specifically, and using this to help answer these pertinent questions.
I agree. Whatever percentage is decided by the government, but it should be something that improves life longevity of life and quality of life.
Research institutions and universities are underfunded, and so they have to rely frequently on external funding. And of course, if you're the one doing the providing the funding, then you're definitely going to identify the agenda.
Serikali yense ya Australia kubwaterana na serikali yense ya Kenya nigo batebire bagocha kubwaterana na koiranio omorembe ase chinsemo ao chiri chibwateranirie no mochando bwobo ibi bwetugo amone chisegi cyabanyene gatie chi county echunga mone county ya West Pokot, Turukana, Samburu gatie chi county chinde abokorengana no mo high commissioner kwa sense ya Australia gochega sense ya Kenya Luke Williams atebire bagocha kubwaterana kwenekia omorembe omoikeranu obeire ase chi county echo ngaya kwaneta yali tukuri igoro ase ensemo ya West Pokot chinga kichoko igora chimbero CHIOKOBARENDA amo abamenyi kuru ase chi county chibage kainene county ya West Pokot unenchire moyo koleta omorembe gati abamenyi.
All about encouraging peace in what are challenging times across the globe. So for the Australian High Commission, we're very pleased to be able to do what we can to support this fantastic ambassador for Kenya.
We need education using this water because these are the small girls that they are being forced for early marriages. And our football woman, she's going to support them. They can play at the same time. They can do their needlework.
This sporting activity that brings love and so much to share between communities. Conflict only brings suffering and pain.
Ni vema serikali kuje kusaidia hii jamii ya Turkana, Pokot na Marakwet kuhakikisha wanafunzi waendelee na masomo, lakini hii ndio chombo ambayo itataka kubadilisha jamii hizi tatu kwa ujumla.
We have to find lasting solutions so that these people can disarm, so they can live together harmoniously and in cohesion to be able to do activities like environmental management, climate change, and issue of food security.
Una enchire moyo kubaleta mo ABAOROKIGWA kurwase county ya Kajiado magega yogo sieka chiskuru abwasi bagocha kobanka asegeka kimiti nyibere bono abaibori ababwatani kurwase county yo nigo bachiramo na korosia emechieso gose socio kobeke mechesa amo unenchire moyo koleta ABAOROKIGWA amo chinga kibara somotimoko na kobatanga kurogweswa nania na mangana mabe gati abo botumeki wa maliogo yogotindia wetera asemechiese yo ABAOROKIGWA mbanyare ko baba kumanyana amana ABAOROKIGWA kurwase chiskuru chinde unenchire mayogo kinya ebiegwa wetera ase chigosori echo.
Upon is known for one thing, call ourselves the Kiraraponians, is because of a community togetherness. We are each other's neighbors keeper, brothers keepers, sisters keeper, and that's what makes this place one of the best places to be. In addition to the good weather, in addition to the good environment, the people here love each other, come together, take care of each other, and they treat each other.
Helping us to interact with different people, making friends, and it makes us to have courage.
I'm having fun. The experience is good. You get to make a lot of friends.
I open up to create awareness, both to the students and the parents, that there are opportunities outside these borders which can help the students, and when they come back, they can implement the skills to build our nation.
Children are playing, parents have joined their social groups, enjoying their time together. As a key service provider of security in this area, we support this cause.
Serikali yense ya Kenya wetera se wizara yechisemi kubwaterana n'ababwatani ao ose private sectors nigo bachiramo nako rwa CHINCHERA chibwenerete asogokina chisemi gotumeka CHINCHERA ya teknolojia enya iligo kine birengo bichisemi asense ya Kenya iligo ikera chinse chinde kwene kyayo no monya kirogo gosomoteneneri bwa mangana ICT ase sector yechisemi Francis Karanja oyote biro morobiro yo no chego konya mono ase sector yechisemi abayigo korwa morokererio gochia saborokia unenchire mayogo kinya ebirengo bya masomo asense ya Kenya.
All of us to ideate, to innovate and make our education system resilient and sustainable. We need to look at how best can we do this. You have seen what the government has done. And how can you plug into what we have been able to do?
To show the innovation that's happening within the public sector as well. We said, okay, this is a great opportunity for us to bring together all of those disparate conversations and build one coordinated conversation.
Nara yu asibono mwanchu muligereria kurenda mange chikoraga chinsa 10 chimaragoba ya bono ngugo sabogendere ko baime Ndizi TV nero bwansu bomugusii olio twakonya nakomo korwa ensemo yebimanyererio nigakorwa Joshua Auta na korwa ensemo ya Mariogi ne Chibicha nigakorwa John Kibati na inche nigonkorwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'omugusii. Omurigereria bwa television ya Ndizi TV.